Hello everyone! Today I'd like to guide you through resolving the issue of the Roblox game client not working. We'll walk through 3 essential steps to get your game up and running smoothly. Step 1 involves checking if you've downloaded the Roblox player. Imagine you have the Roblox player on your screen. Simply click and select Open File Location. Now for the next step, you'll see the file location. If you've found the Roblox player, proceed by right-clicking and choosing Properties. You'll see Properties in the menu, just like before. In the Properties window, you'll want to ensure that this program as if it were for Windows 8. Also, make sure to check Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator. After you've made these adjustments, click Apply to save your settings. If the issue persists, don't worry. We have a third solution for you. You can use the search function by typing Device Manager in the search bar. A window similar to this will appear. Click on Display Adapters, and you'll find the graphics adapter for your laptop or PA. Click it and select Update Driver. Now, when you're prompted to choose how to search for drivers, go with Search for Drivers automatically. Let it search for updates online. And if it finds one, click on it and follow the steps to install and update it. If this video has been helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.